I enjoy hands-on projects here at Vision Tech because they're a combination of skill, thinking, and imagination. They provide a physical way to express ideas or thoughts. They can range all the way from a cup holder that cools your drink, to a hoverboard made from a leaf blower, to even just a few LED lights strung together in a line, blinking. There is no limit to what you can build, as long as you have the resources and the imagination to do it.
Here's what it actually looks like.
How do you spell pneumono-ultra-microscopic sylviovolcanic coniosis?
Make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never, ever, after work is over. Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger.
Okay, so this morning, actually not this morning, I got the parts last week, and today I put them together. Two servos, they're running in a sweep program, so they go all the way as far as they can, and they come back all the way. This is my first step of my project. Next I will probably be looking at making the controller hook up, and then figure out how to code it.
Very cool.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power.
There are many different forms of augmented reality, ranging from simple things such as ground plane detection all the way up to extremely complex things such as GPS location based. I am using image tracking, which allows me to track points in predefined images through the video it is receiving from the camera and project digital content onto those points. The app I am building enables me to walk around Lindsberg and see different things depending on where I am.
Hands-on projects to me is a way to learn how everyday things work and how I can make my own projects that will benefit me throughout and after high school. I use them to learn new skill sets and as a way to show my ability and skill on everyday tasks.